Today we are making slime. So to make our slime, we have our glue that should be in your box. There should be a bottle with a little bit of clear liquid, it's contact solution. We're going to need that. You have a bag with baking soda labeled in your box, and then we're going to use some food coloring to dye our slime, and then gloves to make sure that we don't make a mess. So let's get started. Okay, so for our first step, we are going to empty the glue, so make sure you have a plate or a bowl or something to put it on. We're just using wax paper because we're at a picnic table, but just empty your entire bottle of glue. Okay, and then we have to add about half a teaspoon of baking soda. So whether that's your whole bag or just part of it, kind of pay attention to that. It's going to be about half of our bag. Okay, so now we are going to mix together our glue and our baking soda. And then once that's mixed together, you're going to pour about half of your contact solution into that mixture. Okay, so once that is all mixed up, I'm going to show you what ours looks like. It looks kind of like this, and it stretches like that. So now we are going to add our food coloring in. Okay, so our slime is still a little bit sticky too, so we're going to add some more contact solution to make it less sticky. My hand. Yeah. Is that working better? Yeah. Do you need more?
No, should be good.
Good? So it's good now? Okay,
So
now that it's all done, it will look something like this, and if it's still too sticky, you can add some more of your contact solution to it, and it'll make it less sticky, but it's stretchy and fun and ready to play with now. Show us yours when you finish it.
bye guys.